Okay, we're out in the line. It's the day after we were in the skinning shed. Stopped back there a little ways, checked my first trap. It was a squirrel in the marten trap. Nothing in this lynx cubby here. I got nothing in this first snare right here, but looky right through there. I don't know if you can see him. Got a timber wolf in the snare right there. This is the same place I caught that last big gray wolf. This one's a little smaller, it looks like, from here. Oh, still pretty good sized animal, but just a medium-sized wolf. I'll sneak in there and give him a smack with the axe. He's wound up pretty good, so I'll just turn the camera off for a sec so I can get in there. Kind of would like to have two hands free for this. Okay, I just finished clunking him on the head with the axe, and he's just about expired here. I'm just gonna head on down the trail. I hit him a pretty good one, so I'm just unwrap the snare here. And drag him out. He had himself tied up pretty good. He's a nice dark gray one. Tawny on the sides, but notice I attached my wolf wire. It's double. I'm guessing this is, I think it's 16 gauge is what I buy. Just double it up, put her tight, and good sized paw on this guy. What do we get today, male or female? Male. Well, you know, that's the bounty and the fur. You know, I don't sell any of my wolves at the sales. Just for the amount of work they are skinning them and the amount that I catch. I sell them all to my deer hunters. Like to buy some skins, so I just get them all tanned and then sell them to those guys, or keep them if they don't want to buy them. But the last time I sold wolves at the sale, you know, I got like 46 for one and $70 for the other one. That ain't worthwhile for me to sell them. So anywho, I'll get this guy out of here and in the sleigh and we'll head home.